Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on the insurance industry, specifically within the context of the InsurTech industry. InsurTech is a term used to describe integration of technology into the insurance industry, and it has been growing rapidly in recent years. AI is a key driver of this growth, offering insurers the potential to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve the overall customer experience. Historically, the insurance industry has been slow to adopt new technologies. However, with the rise of insurtech and the development of AI, the industry is undergoing a digital transformation. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way insurers operate, from underwriting and risk assessment to claims management and customer service. So, we'll be going through all these topics today. Overall, the talk will provide insights into the ways in which AI is transforming the insurtech industry and the potential benefits and challenges that come with this transformation. So, we'll take a look at the technologies being used. I'll also take you through one use case each for each of the categories under consideration. And finally, we'll take a look at the potential challenges, the ethical concerns and biases that we have to be aware of. Um, so first, we'll take a look at AI in claims management. AI has been increasingly used in the insurance industry in claims management. The use of AI in claims management has the potential to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. AI can be used in claims management to automate and streamline the claims process. This can include tasks such as claims intake, triage, and routing, as well as claims investigation, evaluation, and settlement. AI can also be used to identify patterns and trends in claims data, which can be used to identify potential fraud. So now we'll take a look at the technologies being used. Some of the key AI technologies that are used in claims management include natural language processing. NLP is mainly used to analyze and understand unstructured text data, such as claims forms, policy documents, and medical records. Computer vision is used to analyze and understand visual data, such as photos of damaged vehicles or property. Machine learning is used to build predictive models that can help insurers identify patterns and trends in claims data and make more accurate decisions. Robotic process automation, which is often called RPA, is used to automate repetitive and manual tasks such as claims data entry and document processing. Now, to illustrate how AI can be applied in claims management, let's consider the following use case. A major insurer receives thousands of claims each day, and the process of evaluating and settling these claims is time consuming and resource intensive. The insurer wants to use AI to automate and streamline the claims process while also improving the accuracy and consistency of claims decisions. To accomplish this, the insurer implements an AI-powered claims management system that uses NLP, computer vision, and machine learning to automate and streamline the claims process contact information. The system then uses computer vision to analyze any visual data associated with the claim, such as photos of damaged property or vehicles. Next, the AI system uses machine learning to evaluate the claim and make a preliminary decision on whether it should be approved or denied. The system analyzes historical claims data to identify patterns and trends that can help it make more accurate decisions. If the claim is approved, the AI system uses RPA, as we discussed before, to automate the process of processing the claim and issuing payment. This can include tasks such as data entry, document processing, and payment processing. By using AI to automate and streamline the claims process, the insurer is able to reduce the time and resources required to evaluate and settle claims, while also improving the accuracy and consistency of claims decisions. This can help the insurer to improve customer satisfaction and reduce costs associated with claims processing. So, in conclusion, the use of AI in claims management has the potential to transform the industry as such. By automating and streamlining the claims process, the insurers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. This use case illustrates how AI can be applied in claims management and benefits it can provide to insurers. So next, we'll take a look at underwriting and risk assessment. Both of them are crucial aspects of the insurance industry, and the use of AI has revolutionized these processes. AI-based underwriting and risk assessment systems can help insurers make more accurate predictions, reduce fraud, and improve overall efficiency. Now we'll take a look at the technologies being used in this area. So machine learning is a key technology used in underwriting and risk assessment. ML algorithms can learn from past data to make predictions and identify patterns. In underwriting, ML algorithms are specifically used to analyze data related to policyholders, such as age, gender, occupation, medical history, and more. These algorithms can help underwriters assess the risk associated with each policyholder and determine the appropriate premium. NLP is also another technology used in this field. NLP algorithms can analyze unstructured data such as text from medical records or social media posts to identify relevant information that can be used to assess risk. For example, NLP algorithms can be used to identify the presence of certain medical conditions in a policyholder's medical record, which can help underwriters assess the risk associated with insuring that individual. This saves so much money. In underwriting and risk assessment, computer vision algorithms can also be used to analyze images of property to assess the risk associated with insuring that property. For example, 3D algorithms can be used to identify potential hazards such as faulty wiring or damage to the roof, which can help underwriters assess the risk associated with insuring that property. So now we'll take a look at a use case. One example of AI-based underwriting and risk assessment is the use of telematics in the auto insurance industry. Telematics involves the use of sensors and other technologies to collect data related to a driver's behavior, such as speed, acceleration, braking, and more. This data can be analyzed using machine learning algorithms to assess the risk associated with insuring the driver. For example, recently an auto insurance company could an auto insurance company could offer a policy that includes a device that is installed in the policyholder's car and collects telematics data. The data collected by the device can be used to create a personalized risk profile for the policyholder, which can help the insurer determine the appropriate premium. In addition to assessing risk, telematics can also be used to improve driver behavior and reduce accidents. The data collected by the device can be used to provide feedback to the policyholder on their driving habits and suggest ways to improve their behavior. This can help reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall safety on the road. So, AI-based underwriting and risk assessment systems are becoming increasingly popular in the insurance industry. Machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision are key technologies used in this area. Telematics is one example of AI-based underwriting and risk assessment system that can help insurers make more accurate predictions and improve overall efficiency. So now we'll take a look at AI, how AI is transforming the insurance industry in the customer service segment, and what are the significant benefits of AI in this area. So AI-powered customer service can enhance customer experience by providing personalized, proactive, and efficient support while also reducing operational costs. So let's take a look at the key application areas now in under customer service segment. Chatbots and virtual assistants are AI-powered conversational agents that can interact with customers in a natural language interface. They can help customers with policy related queries, claims processing, and premium payment reminders, among other things. They can also have multilingual chatbots. Image and speech recognition is another area. AI powered image and speech recognition systems can be used to verify customer identity, assess damage to vehicles or property, and automate claims processing. These systems can analyze the images and speech data to extract relevant information, reducing the need for manual intervention. Predictive analytics uses historical data to make predictions about the future events. In the insurance industry, predictive analytics can be used to assess customer risk, anticipate claims, and identify opportunities for upselling or cross selling. So these are all terms in insurance industry. So I don't have time to go to all that, but yeah, this is just a brief overview. And then fraud detection. AI powered fraud detection systems can analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns that indicate fraudulent activity. These systems can help insurers prevent fraud, thereby reducing losses. So now we'll take a look at the use case study. In this area. A leading insurance company in the United States wanted to improve its customer service by implementing AI-powered chatbots. The company was receiving a high volume of policy-related queries and claims processing requests, which were overwhelming their customer service team. They wanted to reduce the response time for customers while also improving the accuracy and consistency of their responses. The company partnered with an AI vendor to develop a chatbot that could handle policy related queries and claims processing requests. The chatbot was trained using historical data and natural language processing techniques to understand customer queries and provide appropriate responses. The chatbot was integrated with the company's customer service platform, and customers were directed to the chatbot when they initiated a conversation. The chatbot could handle a wide range of queries, including policy coverage, premium payment, claims processing, and renewal reminders. It could also provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's profile and previous interactions. The results of the implementation were significant. The chatbot was able to handle a large volume of queries, reducing the workload on the customer service team. The response time for customers improved significantly as the chatbot could provide instant responses. The accuracy and consistency of the responses also improved as the chatbot could provide standardized answers based on predefined rules. AI powered customer service has the potential to transform the insurance industry by enhancing customer experience and reducing operational costs. Chatbots, virtual assistants, image and speech recognition, predictive analytics, and fraud detection are some of the key application areas of AI in customer service segment. This use case study demonstrates how an AI-powered chatbot can handle a large volume of queries, reduce response time, and improve the accuracy and consistency of responses. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect more innovative use cases in this area. So now we've taken a look at all the benefits, and we know that not all of the benefits, some of them, most of the benefits. And then now we'll take a look at, we understand that insurance is rapidly adopting AI technologies to improve efficiency, accuracy, and customer service. However, as with any application of AI, there are potential challenges that must be addressed to ensure fair and ethical use of these technologies. In this analysis, we'll explore some of the potential challenges related to ethics and bias in the use of AI in the insurance industry. We'll also discuss a use case study to demonstrate these challenges in practice. So first of all, we'll take a look at the ethical challenges when it comes to deploying AI in insurance industry. First and foremost, I would like to introduce the concept of fairness to you. The use of AI algorithms in insurance can potentially result in unfair treatment of certain groups of people. For example, if the algorithm is trained on historical data that contains biases, such as discriminatory practices or unfair practices, then the algorithm will likely replicate those biases. This can result in unfairly higher premiums or denial of coverage to certain groups of people based on factors such as race, gender, age, or socioeconomic status. And the next concept that I would like you to think about is transparency. The use of AI algorithms can often be opaque, making it difficult to understand how decisions are being made. This can be particularly problematic in insurance, where customers need to understand why they are being charged a certain premium or why their claim was denied. Lack of transparency can erode customer trust and lead to regulatory scrutiny. And one other concept, one of the main concepts would be privacy. So last but not the least, we take a look at privacy. The use of AI algorithms often involves the collection and analysis of large amounts of personal data. This raises concerns about privacy and data security, particularly in cases where sensitive information, such as medical records or financial information, is being used. So these are some of the main concerns when it comes to ethical challenges in deploying AI in the insurance industry. Now we'll take a look at biases that exist in this area. So I have just listed the main, major biases. We do have lots of other topics that I haven't included in the slide. So the first bias would be data bias. The data used to train AI algorithms can be biased, particularly if it is drawn from historical data that reflects past discriminatory practices. If the algorithm is not trained on a representative sample of data, it can result in biased outcomes that perpetuate discrimination and inequality. Algorithmic bias is again another bias that you have to be aware of. AI algorithms can also exhibit bias due to the design and implementation of the algorithm. For example, if the algorithm is designed to prioritize cost savings, it may unfairly penalize certain groups of people or deny coverage to those who need it most. So, this is something that we have to think about while developing AI systems in this industry. The next bias that I would like to introduce is human bias. The use of AI does not eliminate human bias in decision making. It all depends on the people who developed it, right? How diverse would that group be? Humans are involved in the design, implementation, and interpretation of AI algorithms, which can introduce bias into the process. So that's why we have to be careful when deciding on the team that would develop a particular AI system. We have to understand the customer segment, and we have to see to it that the people who develop the AI system understand them and try our best to see to it that, we have taken into consideration all possible biases and ethical concerns that can arise with the development of the system. So now we'll take a look at another use case study in this area, just so that we have a better understanding of this of these concepts. One use case that illustrates these challenges is the use of AI algorithms in determining insurance premiums for auto insurance. In some cases, auto insurance companies have used data such as credit scores or zip codes to determine premiums, right? It's beneficial to know, the area of the customer or the credit score of the customer, which can result in unfairly high premiums for low income or minority populations. This is because historical data has shown that these groups are more likely to have lower credit scores or live in high crime areas, even if they are not themselves higher risk drivers. So, this is a bias that we have introduced in the system, right? Due to which uh, some clients would get an unfair treatment. So these are things that we have to keep in mind while developing a system to serve our customers. So to address these challenges, insurance companies can take several steps. So I'm just listing some of the main steps that we can consider to resolve this issue. So one point would be to ensure that the data used to train AI algorithms is representative and unbiased. So if you have to see to it that the data is representative and unbiased, you have to have people in your team, who understand what it means to be representative and unbiased. So that is a crucial decision that a team lead or a person who is to decide major steps in the project has to make. Increased transparency in decision making process and providing customers with clear explanations for decisions. Yes, we are using AI for the solution, but why did we end up taking this decision? So there should be a clear cut explanation that you can give to the customer related to any decision that is being made. It should not be a black box. Just because we are using AI, that is it. You just have to accept it. It should not be like that. We should try to introduce more transparency in decision making process, and implementing safeguards to protect customer privacy and data security. So this should be an important uh, you know factor to take into consideration, because data privacy is increasingly becoming relevant these days. There are lots of technologies out there that can help us enhance data privacy. So just try to see to it that proper safeguard mechanisms to protect customer privacy and data security is in place while developing these systems. And then, last but not the least, regularly viewing and auditing AI algorithms to identify and address biases, which is of utmost importance, because there are lots of biases that we might not be aware of in the initial phases of the deployment of the system. So then, down the line, right, after a few months, we would understand based on the responses we get, right, based on the click through rate or based on A/B analysis, A/B testing, we get to understand potential biases and ways in which customers can feel bad about some of the new solutions that we deployed. So it should not be so that we deployed it and it's working fine and that's it. It's just a few uh, few people in the customer segment that aren't happy with it, that are not fairly treated. So it's okay. It's not okay. So we have to regularly view and audit these algorithms to identify and address biases as and when we identify them. So I think that is it about major concerns that we have observed so far while developing AI systems in insurance industry. And in conclusion, the use of AI in the insurance industry has the potential to improve efficiency and customer experience, but it also presents ethical and bias challenges. These challenges must be carefully considered and addressed to ensure that AI is used in a fair and responsible manner. So that's it for today's talk. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.